Hello, Panthers. This is Mr. Hernandez The Tech Teacher, and welcome to Week 9 PowerPoint Digital Scrapbook assignment. This assignment is for all grades, kinder, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade. In this example, I'll be using a 5th grade PowerPoint, but the ideas are the same across all grade levels. Let's get started. Let's head on over to my website. Here we are at my website, Panthers. Again, you'll notice a new layout at the beginning with the links. Just go ahead and scroll down, and we're looking for this squarish, weird 3D button. It's called Microsoft Office. All students have Microsoft Office. It's a free service. It includes emails, PowerPoints, Word, Excel spreadsheets, all kinds of cool stuff. Anyways, go ahead and click on it. It's going to open up. It should already sign you in. If not, you'll need to use your Canvas, same username, last name, first name at lcps.net, and then your password, lcps, and then whatever your number is. All right. So Panthers, here in your Office homepage, we need to click on these 9 dots in the corner, the top left corner. It's called our app launcher. Sometimes they're called a waffle, a grid. But anyways, click on those 9 dots. You want to click on this button called OneDrive. Okay, we're going to click on OneDrive. Now I've gone ahead and placed a folder for Computer Lab, and it's titled Computer Lab, your grade level, and the school year for 22-23. All right. Again, I'm using a 5th grade example for this. Kinders, 1st graders, 2nd graders, 3rd graders, 4th graders, you're going to see a folder with Computer Lab, your grade level. Okay, so go ahead and click on it. You also now want to find the Digital Scrapbook assignment. Some of you have more than one assignment here. Some of you only have the one Digital Scrapbook. Go ahead and find your Digital Scrapbook. It'll say your Digital Scrapbook, your grade level, and it'll say 22-23. So I'm going to get, again, I'm using the 5th grade example. So I'm going to find it and click on it, and it automatically opens. So Panthers, this is a project you're going to do in Computer Lab at the end of every 9 weeks. You're going to work on it a little bit. I'm not expecting you to finish it. You're going to do a little bit each time. And then even on your free time, you could always come back and add more to it. The choice is up to you. Today, I'm just going to show you how to get started on a very basic level. Some of you have done this before with me in the past. Go for it. Go ahead and get started if you need to. But others, you need a refresher. And so I'm going to show you how to get started. I'm not going to get too technical, all right? And so you're going to see your workspace, your active slide, your active page, and it has a title. All of you will see your grade level, and it'll say my 5th grade, 4th grade, 3rd grade, 1st grade, 2nd grade, kinder scrapbook, and it'll have a space for your name. And so go ahead where it says name, click on name, and we're going to be adding our name. And so for today's assignment, again, I'm going basic. We're just basically going to get started, put in our name, put in a few pictures, make it decorative, and maybe get started with a couple of the other slides you see on the left-hand side. I want to explain that 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade have more slides, and 2nd, 1st, and kinder have a lot less, all right? But the idea is the same, okay? So I clicked in that box, and you'll notice that I have this capital I-looking mouse pointer now. It went from a pointer, there's 4 arrows to be able to move the box around, and to this capital letter. And we want to click inside and hit the backspace to delete that. And you're putting your name. I'm putting my name, all right? Forgot my little dot. Now, if your name is too long and it gets shrunk or squeezed like this, you can click the arrows and stretch your box to fit your name. Also, you can click and drag inside, click inside the box, click and drag your name, highlight it, let go, and you have some options to change up the way your name looks like. This box here lets you choose a bunch of different styles, okay? And so your choice if you want to make it fancier, not fancier, leave it as it is, okay? So I can change the style a little bit. I mean, explore. I'm not going to go over too much. I can make the size bigger, okay? Notice I'm still highlighted. Oops, I lost the highlight. So click and drag, highlight. And then I can mess around with some of these other buttons. The B means that it's darkened, bold. I for italics, makes it slanted. U for underline. And this color, I can change the color or click on the arrow and choose a bunch of other colors. Choose your favorite color, your choice, all right? If you don't like any of these changes, or if you make a mistake, on the top left corner there's an undo button, so click on undo and go back all the way to however you like it. Okay, I'm going to leave it like it started. I click outside of it, and now I'm ready for some pictures and decorative stuff. All right, Panthers? So a lot of you might have pictures already on your computers or laptops. Some of my younger grades maybe don't, and I'll show you later on how to take pictures and have them in your laptops. But we want to click on the top, and it says Insert. Okay, there's a little button that says Insert, and now we want to click on Pictures. Now, I won't explain this in this video, but there's a bunch of other cool options that you can explore and have fun with. But most of you are going to spend your time right here where it says Pictures. In this video, I'm going to show you from your device, your laptop, how to find pictures, but then also this picture button that says Bing Pictures. It kind of works as like a Google search, but for PowerPoint, it's called Bing Pictures, and you get to search all kinds of online pictures. So I'm going to start with this device. I'm going to click on it, okay, and you'll notice that now I have a window that pops up. So this is where all your files and folders and all kinds of documents on your laptop are. It's called File Explorer. And in this File Explorer window, I automatically went to my Pictures folder, but you might not go there, so just know that on the left-hand side, you'll see a list of places to go on your computer, and one of them is Pictures. So you click on it, and you might have pictures right away, or you might have to click on Camera Roll. I don't have anything in my Camera Roll because I have it outside, so I'm going to leave it right there. Also, some of you might have downloaded a picture, so don't forget you could also click on your Downloads folder, and you might see a bunch of pictures. So there you can see a bunch of my collection of pictures that I've downloaded and been working with. But I'm going to go back to Pictures, and I'm going to click on my face, or click on something else, your choice, and click on Open on the bottom. So click Open. And now we have our picture. Click on the center of the picture, and you'll see sometimes on the right hand side, depending on what you're working on, you get options to change up your design. If you feel the need to change, you can explore and see these designs on the right hand side. I'm going to skip those for now, and it's found under Designer. So if you ever want to go back and change that, you can click on where it says Designer, Design here. But anyways, I'm going to ignore those, press the X. I'm going to click on the center of my picture. You'll notice that my mouse changed to 4 arrows. I want you to understand, when you see 4 arrows on PowerPoint, that really means that you can move stuff around. And then I click in the corners, my arrows turn to 2 arrows, and I can change the size. I also have this neat button on the top. It's hard to see, but it's a little circle, and I could twist the picture around, give it a nice angle. And there we go. I fit my picture. I shrunk it a little bit with the arrows, moved it around, and I tilted it so it fit in that little space. Do you have to put your picture? No, you could put something else you want. You be creative, make this your own. It's your choice. All right, Panthers? Next thing I want to show you is how I can find other pictures, and that's where Insert, Pictures, and Bing Pictures comes into place. We want to search things that describe you, things that are your favorite, things that you enjoy. One of my favorite things that I enjoy is soccer. So I'm going to click on soccer and press the Enter key on my keyboard. Okay. When I press that, I get a bunch of options of soccer images or whatever is related to what I searched. Now, I'm not going to go and searching all these pictures, okay? I'm going to click on my image and then click on Insert. Now, sometimes these pictures don't work, and if it doesn't work, keep finding a picture that will be able to insert into your PowerPoint. And again, I get some designer things, and so check this out. I got a bunch of different options. I'm going to ignore them again, but you can change it if you like, your choice. I'm going to click my picture, I'm going to shrink it, and put it right here in this empty space. And there you have it, okay? So feel free to add more, change it up, your choice. The next thing I want to talk about is the second page of the slide. So I move my mouse, click on the second page, and now I have a list of names of teachers. Now this slide, I've worked on it a little bit, but you're going to see a long list of teachers' names on the teacher slot here. You click in the box if it's not your teacher, and you can delete those teachers. A while ago, I had a bunch of other teachers for this grade level, so this grade level is 5th grade. And so your choice. It's easy as hitting the backspace of all the ones that you don't want. In this case, I'm just going to leave this example, but you're going to see Alameda, the principal's names, nurse's name, and your grade level there, okay? Again, this is 5th grade, so all my other grade levels, you're going to see your grade level, all right? And so basically, you just got to change your teacher's name to your name or delete all the other ones, all right? And then I'm not going to go further for today, but you'll see and you can explore all the other slides on the left-hand side. You can move your mouse up and down, and you can see that there's all kinds of different topics for this digital scrapbook. If you feel like you're ready to start adding to this, go for it. We're going to spend about 15-20 minutes each 9 weeks, at the end of each 9 weeks, adding more to it, all right? But at least get your first page and your teacher's name correct on our school page, all right, Panthers? Panthers, good luck with our digital scrapbook. I can't wait to see the types of things you add to it this school year. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you in class. Bye for now.